I think it's just this blue color. It's packaged well. I like the shape of this one too. Okay, so this one is a top fill, or you can just take the whole reservoir off and go and fill it. I like that too, that you don't have to take it off the sink if you don't want to, because instead of having like the fill at the bottom where you unscrew something, you can just take this little top off and fill it up. That's really nice. This one looks extremely easy to clean. It's just one open area. You can get your hand all the way in there, which is a huge plus. There's not any like really hard to reach corners or anything in here, so that's good. Super easy. I love that too. This one seems like a very simple design, and that's nice sometimes. So this one also is just on and off with a dial versus having like numbers and buttons. So that's nice and simple. Okay, and then this design is much more simple. So it's just your reservoir, and then you just have a button right here, on and off, and you can do on, and you can go to the max, which will look like this. I do love that you can see it kind of coming through there. That's cool. So you can also spin these around, super easy. This one does not have the sensor though, so it doesn't tell you anything about the relative humidity, and it will just either be on or off. You can't just set it and forget it.